where shadows dance with light, a whisper of a gentle trace captures the essence of her face. Lines that weave a silent song, in her gaze where I belong. Timeless moments caught in time, sketches drawn in heartbeats rhyme. She's a picture, a dream to behold, a story in the lines untold. In her eyes, a world takes flight, a portrait of day and night. Every stroke is a story spun, a dance between the moon and sun. Her spirit writes on canvas bare, whispers of love in the air. In this world sketched by design, I found a love that's purely mine. Vibrant though unseen, captured in this monochrome dream. She's a picture